Andy Stanford Clark is the CTO for Smarter Energy at IBM UK. Andy, what's the subject of your presentation?
I'm going to be talking about the smart grid and how we can use computer technology, IT, to manage the smart grid better, to make use of energy both on the generation side and the consumption side.
And how will this be done?
We're going to be adding sensors and actuated devices to enable you to monitor how much power you're using and to take signals from the grid to control appliances and devices and systems in your organization, so that you can more effectively manage your use of energy in response to the availability of renewable energy from the grid.
And what are the risks if we actually do nothing?
The way we're going at the moment, our demand's increasing and our generation is decreasing. Old power stations are being turned off. The risk is that we'll end up hitting what we term peak power, which means we're simply going to run out of enough generation capacity to provide the demand that's needed. So at that point, the national grid will have to implement rolling blackouts, or the lights will dim, or something bad will happen to the power supply. So with this technology, we should be able to avoid that by both managing generation better, but also managing demand better.
So how should businesses be thinking about energy for the future?
The use of energy is a complicated matter, and there's no sort of single silver bullet for it, but IBM's view is that adding this IT layer, and we use the term smarter planet for instrumenting, interconnecting, and then making intelligent systems both on the grid side and the demand side, which will enable us all to manage our power better and hopefully keep the lights on, reduce our carbon footprint, and help save the planet.
Andy, thank you very much.
My pleasure.